Third, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video, and today we are going to go into the 99-cent store to see what bargains we can get for our do-it-yourself products. Let's go inside. This is a fantastic bargain here. If you're making things like, for example, the cleaning cloths that we use for our pets, go to the 99-cent store and find these strong and absorbent towels. 99 cents for 150. You can't beat that. Although I prefer big box stores to get supplies like vinegar, I think 99 cents for 32 ounces isn't too bad if you're just starting out with your do-it-yourself projects. Here are some very nice tall canisters. It's made out of glass. And this canister has one of those lovely little tops that has a seal on it, and this is wonderful for storing either your supplies or some of the things that you make. Glass is always good to store things in because it keeps what you put inside very tight. It keeps everything dry. It limits how much air gets into whatever it is that you put in, whether you're making bath salts, if you have any powders. This mason jar, can't beat a mason jar here. Nice seal. These are wonderful mason jars with the seal that with the top that actually comes off. So if you're making your deodorizer for your carpet, this is the type of container that I really recommend that you use. Even though this is the 99-cent store, we do have a container, and I don't think this is the type that goes with this one, but here's one with a nice closed lid for $1.99. So when you're in stores like this, you have to be very careful because, even though the store is called 99-cent store, some things cost a little bit more than 99 cents. Here are some very cute, smaller little containers and have nice little pastel colored tops. This is great for if you're making gifts for friends. You might want to go to your 99-cent store and pick these up. So have them on hand. Get them down and you'll be ready for the holidays. Not bad for 99 cents. Although we're in a 99-cent store, once again, here are some really nice containers, storage containers. And as you can see, it's $1.99. But in actuality, you can't beat that for 5.6 liters with a nice seal on top. I think that this will be great for storing some of the items that you will make. You'll also have these on the top here, $1.99 for 8 containers with a lid. Even though they call them food containers, you can store just about anything in here. And the tops are color coded, so this is very helpful for you if you don't want a label but you want to color code whatever it is that you make. And as you can see here, I think we're back in the 99-cent area here, where you can get different sizes, different shapes, and all for 99 cents. So hopefully you found this to be helpful. I tell you, going to the 99-cent store, you can find a lot of wonders, a lot of different containers, and also food stuff that can help with your do-it-yourself products. I hope this was helpful. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. And if you want more like these, hit that subscribe button. Until next time.